Getting tested for COVID-19. What happens at the Gatwick drive-through testing site? If you have any coronavirus symptoms, you must isolate immediately and arrange for a test. You can do this by booking a free test online via the NHS website or by calling 119. Tests are free for those with coronavirus symptoms and must be booked in advance. Translation services are available for taking your test via the 119 phone line. You will be sent a confirmation message with your booking details along with a QR code that you will need to access the testing site. Before you leave the house, wash your hands for at least 20 seconds and put on a face covering. Wear it at all times except for when you take your test. You must bring your QR code and form of photographic identification with you, such as a driving licence or passport. If possible, drive yourself to the testing site or have a member of your household drive you. Please do not take public transport. If you are unable to travel, you can order a home testing kit through the booking service. Once you've booked your test, you can head straight to your testing site on the selected day and time. Drive straight to the testing site without stopping on the way. Follow the signpost to the entrance where a member of staff will scan your QR code and check a form of ID. Here it will be decided whether you will be going to have an assisted test where one of the staff will test you or a self-test. Children, disabled persons or people who would like some extra time to take the test will be offered a self-test. It is not the same everywhere, but someone will always be around to offer help. First, we'll show you the assisted test. You will be directed around the site into an area where your QR code will be scanned again before you are shown into a bay where the test will take place. You will be asked to roll your window all the way down before a member of staff will explain how the test is about to take place. You will be handed a tissue so you are able to blow your nose before the test begins. When you are ready, you can pull down your mask and the staff member will take a swab of the back of your throat. The same swab will be inserted up your nostril for 10 seconds. It is not painful, just a little uncomfortable. And you're done. You can then put your mask back on and roll your window up. Your test will then be sealed and you're ready to exit and drive straight home. Alternatively, you may be offered a self-test. From the entrance, you will be directed round the site and into a bay. Here, you will be instructed on how to take your test. You will be handed your test through a small gap in the window and be asked to drive onto another bay where you can comfortably sit and take your test. If you have any problems, put your hazard lights on and someone will be along to assist you. Once you're finished, put the swab into a bag but do not seal it. Drive round to the next stop where a member of staff will check you have done the test correctly and scan your QR code again. When the staff are happy you have completed the test correctly, you'll be able to drop your test into a collection bin, ready to be taken away for testing. You are now free to leave the test centre and drive straight home. You should receive your result within 48 hours. At busy times this may increase to 72 hours. In the meantime, stay home. If you receive a positive result, you must continue to isolate for 10 days from the time you first have symptoms. Other members of your household must also isolate for 14 days. For the latest news, visit eastsussex.gov.uk/coronavirus.